Right. FOMC just hit. Let's see if it did anything. Let's see the results. FOMC today. Statement actual. Yeah, same. Good. So nothing should happen. We just had a 4-hour close though. And we on the Dow. We're back in Dow longs. Looks like we failed that low there. FOMC is not going to do anything today, actually. Like, this was pretty predicted. We called this pretty much. Let's look at gold just to see if gold's doing anything wacky on a release. Yeah, nothing really. What we want to see is, you know, we want to see gold back down here before we can take any longs or something that's not the all-time highs, right? Long on FOMC. With Bitcoin, I'm not, yeah. I mean, I could short Bitcoin, honestly, actually, here. I'd actually be pretty game to short Bitcoin. On the daily, like, yeah, this looks like a short. I'm gonna take a short on Bitcoin. You know, I'm not sure how much we're taking a short on that, but we'll take a short on Bitcoin. Just gonna target the lows. Buy limit. Our stop is gonna be like up here. Basically, something like that. We're just doing a quick little stream. We're just checking to see if FOMC does much. The press conference I cannot be here for. I have to leave in 30 minutes. So I'm just checking to see the funding rates, right? And the funding rate was exactly what was expected. Nothing crazy here, right? I don't know how it's even 0.6. It's already been released. So they can't really go back, can they? It's already been released. We knew it was going to be that. No change. Markets are going to do nothing, basically. It's going to be the exact same, right? If you're looking at the market overall here, you know, NASDAQ and Dow. The only reason why Dow is coming down is because United Health had a tanker. NASDAQ's failing to make new highs here. We're going to have to watch that for the next few days. Same with the ES. ES, again, failing to make new highs. If we do get a weekly close, that's a failure. I'm going to be a bit cautious in this market, especially considering that Edgefinder is showing us more neutral and negative biases for fundamental side of things. Gold absolutely ripping. I am expecting the stock market to be coming down, right? Gold continue, right? I would like a pullback on gold. I'd like to re-enter gold. I've already exited gold, okay? But I would like to re-enter gold, right? Stock market should be coming down at some point. If the stock market comes down, gold will go up most likely, right? Now, mind you, the technicals still kind of tell us that, you know, this is still bullish. It's bullish until it's told us not to be bullish, right? And I'm buying the Dow all in these lows. I'm going to buy more Dow, potentially down here even at those lows. Dow perfectly fine. Let's go, let's go. Go, thank you, brother. The actual move will come when Powell speaks. Yeah, unfortunately, I won't be able to watch it. But you can see things playing out. Like, you don't need the news release to know what's going to happen, okay? You don't need it. Yeah, the failures here. Let's look at the regular trading hours too. You might be able to get some sort of bias out of this. Look at the regular trading hours, right? See what I'm saying? You're getting failures on those low side, right? Failures on that low side, right? They're not able to hold these lows, right? If you're looking at it just objectively like that, they're not able to hold these lows. Okay. So if they can't hold those lows, where must they go to these highs, right? All I'm going to try to do is target this gap on the Dow. Right? We fill that gap, we're set. $30-minute. Again, you know, failing these lows. It's going to come for a new high. Fill that gap. What should we look at here? Is there anything of significance to even look at? I think we already did this stream this morning. We can kind of watch it. I'm just gonna, you know, we have maybe some charts here in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, you can join the Discord. Great. Let's look at this chart. MD Sniper back tested DMC up 15% on a 5K. Right? That's the power of DMC, bro. Like, if your strategy is not making money for sure, let me say this again. If you have found a strategy and it doesn't have like an 80-90% win rate, the strategy is random, right? It has to be so incredibly obvious that this makes money. Otherwise, it's not worth doing. There's so many reasons why, okay? Like, let's say it only makes a little bit of money. Like, let's say you got like a 51% to 49%. Like I'm just throwing out random numbers there. Your strategy is slightly profitable. What's the point of trading it when you can just buy and hold, right? And you're going to make money that way. And then you can go do something else with your time, right? Why would you apply all that stress and all that risk in order to only make a little bit more than buying and holding, right? So the only thing in my case is the strategy needs to be so incredibly good that it's worth doing, first of all. The second reason your strategy needs to be so incredibly good is because your back testing could just be random data, right? And that random data could tell you that it's profitable. Like, let's say you win 60% of the time on some random data. Well, that could just be random. That could just be a chance that you happen to get shown profitable strategy. But this, every single time, like every single person that ever back tests it, they're like, holy shit, it works so fucking good. See? Let's look at this guy. He's brand new to this. And he's looking at these charts and everything he's doing is fucking dead on right. Brand new and it's working super well. Level rejected, right? Failed to make a new low. Must go for the new high. Tests it, right? Fails to make a new high. Let me show you here. Fails to make the new high right there. So what it does, comes back down, tests this low, right? Fails again, goes for the next level up, right? This would have been the level, right? But it gained it, right? So we can show you, gained this level, retested this zone, and then again, next level up, boom, right? Every candle tells you the next move. But he made $700 in a couple trades. Right? That's good. But then what he did is he wrote down here, right? This is what he did. Level down here, right? So this mega leg here, right? Failed to make the new low, so it's going to come back to the origin of that move that brought us down, okay? Come back up. Simple. Good shit, bro.
Bro, check Insta live comment.
Insta live comments. There are none. I don't see any, bro. I just see people joining. There are no Instagram comments I see. What do you think about hedging plus mitigate? Do you mean mitigating strategy? Hedging plus I don't know what hedging plus mitigating strategy is. I don't know what that means. Gold come down a bit, maybe. What I'd like to see on gold, if you want to continue here, right? We have this move up. If you close back within here, right? If you get a close, boom, it's going to go for the new high, okay? So we'll watch this close here because potentially we'll just take this trade here. You can watch this gold here. If we close back within that range, it'll shoot for a new high. Right? Someone asking live that I am a IC trader. Do you think I'm a fool? ICT trader? No, I mean, ICT strategies can work fine. I just think that it makes no sense for me because they don't make enough money for it to matter. That's what I'm saying, right? You would make a lot of money just buying and holding, working a job, putting all of your income into investments, and then positionally trading Bitcoin or gold or whatever, right? Just position, like don't even day trade. Just hold it here while the market's going up, switch over to Bitcoin, then switch over to gold, switch over to NASDAQ. You can make, I don't know, fucking 20-30% a year by just bouncing between assets, okay? Easily. You can easily do that. So if your day trading strategy is hit or miss and it's difficult like ICT and you're only making like, a few percent per month on average, what's the point? Let me ask you, like, seriously, if you're not making like 10% a month, what's the point? Like every single month, like not a single month losing. What is the point? You can just be consistent by positionally trading and making, like, positional trading, you can make 3-4% a month easily. Easily, dude. So what the fuck is the point in day trading ICT concepts? You're going to stress the shit out of yourself. I've been in this industry for a year. I've seen SMC is just advanced price action. Smart money. It's just all buzzwords, bro. It's all the same shit, right? The reason why, so I teach dumb money concepts. I made it up, right? The reason why dumb money concepts work is because it's so fucking simple. All you need to do is know the next move. You never try to predict anything. There's never predictions, but you always know what the next move is. And with that, you can make trades, okay? So when this closes in here, it's going to go for that new high, okay? Because I know the next move, right? And that's all you need to know. Now, that's why I don't like day trading, because to get that next move, you have to be watching the chart the entire day. You know what I mean? For these like little scalps, and it's just not worth my time. I would rather swing trade and then take one trade a day, 2 trades a day, right? Rather than the fucking sitting here and just exhausting my brain, right? But what's going to happen right here, now you're going to retest it, okay? It could come down and retest it, but it's going to go for that new high now, okay? And then you can put a stop loss, you know, behind that level. And then there's your target. Now, the thing is, you have to be watching this once again, right? Because once this is what the next move is, unless we're proven otherwise. If a new candle closes and tells us new information, then we need to change our bias, right? If we fail to make new highs, right? Then it'll come back down. So what should I do, friend? According to you, is better to do it well. If I get bored, then I will face you. This is why I'm asking. I have no idea what you're asking, dude. Not a clue what you're asking. What do you think about support and resistance, hedging, swinging? I mean, that's what trading is, support and resistance. Like, you buy the low, sell the high. That's what trading is. What do I think of it? That's how you trade. That's what trading is. You just need to know what is support and what is resistance. That's it. So your current support is this. Your current resistance is this, right? Because those are the most recent levels gained and lost. Okay. Okay, I gotta go in a second, I think. I'm going to yoga in a bit. How do you trade? Tell me shortly. Dumb money concepts. I just explained it all like fucking literally 5 seconds ago, so I'm not going to do it again. Dumb money concepts, you can learn it yourself. It just literally tells you what the next move is with, 95% accuracy. But that's the catch. That's the catch. Okay, what's your strategy? Literally, I'm saying it currently right now. Wow, dude. I love streaming to Reels and TikTok platforms because the attention span is so incredibly short compared to people watching on the longer form platforms. It's crazy. Yeah, so the catch with dumb money concepts is you only get to know the next move with 95% accuracy. The second, the two moves after, not a clue. Couldn't tell you. But you know with certainty where the next candle is going to go. With certainty. Right? What do you think of swing traders? Literally fucking just... I don't know if these guys are trolling me. I'm looking over to this side because you guys are the cool side. You guys are the Instagram side. Instagram questions are hilariously annoying. People on Kick and YouTube just chill. I think I know why Instagram has no attention span, because people come in, they ask their question and leave. And then the next person comes in, they ask their question and leave. Crap, that's you. Yeah, bro. Okay, wait, I didn't read your question. I'm new to your channel. I hope I learn from the others. Do you have any recommendations that we could follow? Yeah. Okay, best trader I know is Trader Sumo. He's not very flashy. He's pretty fucking boring, and he speaks in a way that you're not going to understand. But if you study Trader Sumo for the next fucking 5 years, and I'm saying 5 years because I've been doing this for a decade, and it took me many years to understand what the fuck he's talking about. And he's not going to teach it to you. You have to study him as a person, right? Study Trader Sumo and you'll learn. Or you can study me, which is a worse trader than him, but I speak in a way that's easier to understand. So choose your Choose what you like better. What are your expectations for FOMC? It already happened. Nothing. Do you trade according to changes in interest rates? Yes, I do. It's fundamental analysis. That is the most important thing when it comes to trading, is fundamentals. Imagine grilling the people who have spent the time to watch your live. Fucking that's what live streaming is, bro. That's what my live stream is we're fucking making fun of each other. If you ask dumb questions, bro, I'm fucking ripping on you, okay? You're getting dumb answers. Trader Sumo, correct, yeah. That's what my live stream is. Welcome to the fucking show, dude. I've been doing this for years. Years. This is my character. Is we play around and have fun, okay? Feel free to make fun of me too. It's great. You're not going to hurt my ego. I do a lot of meditation and yoga, and I'm pretty comfortable with how I trade in my strategy. So I don't actually get mad like a lot of these gurus when you make fun of them for like making a mistake, you know? We put $5,000 in this account. You can see here at the start of the year. Now it's $9,000. I'm pretty confident with my ability. So you're welcome to join the stream, have fun, joke around, right? And learn. Like one of the only streams in the entire world where you're actually going to learn something that does actually work for sure. You can go ahead and do it immediately right now and make money immediately. Guess what? And none of it is paid. Not a single thing. I won't charge you for a single thing ever because I don't give a fuck. I don't want money. I don't like money. I got enough money. Why do I do this? I kind of like it. It's fun. Order filled. Recommendation for new firms getting into the prop space. Maven. Try Maven. Right. So here's the retest. Now it's going to go for the new high. Okay. I got to go though. Okay. So what we do is we track our trade results on this data. If you guys haven't seen on Instagram, you're not going to see actually on the side here. But I update that with each trade. It's a trade tracker. We are currently at 15-3 trades so far this year with 85% profit. So I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna let this do what it needs to do. Because I gotta head. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow on the open. Wait. A swing trade should take days or weeks. Yeah, I mean, swing trading, day trading, it's all the exact same thing. The only issue with day trading is it's very fast. You have to be a crackhead about it, right? You have to be sitting there like a crackhead fucking tweaking, watching it, right? I don't like that energy. I do this stream because I think it's fun and I like shooting shit with you guys and yelling, right? And I will occasionally take trades if I see it. But relying on day trading is silly. See that? It's bouncing immediately on the exact level I entered. Wow, isn't that interesting? He knows exactly what he's doing. Oh, fucking hell. I mean, we're doing micros, but it doesn't fucking matter, dude. I mean, this is less than a micro even. What are you trading right now? It's gold. 1 ounce of gold. Like the smallest thing possible. Anyways, boys, we trade on the opens and we trade in the afternoon as well. Okay. Check you later.